Oh, hey man, you're finally over.
Yeah, it took me a while, but I'm finally here. So, can I come in?
So what do you want to do?
I don't know.
Well, it's playing this game if you want to try it out. Sounds fun, let's try it.
Lame! Whoa, 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 whoa. What did you just say?
Sorry, nothing, it's just, I guess allergies are kicking in.
There is no way that was allergies, because I heard you say lame.
Come on, dude, it's just a sneeze.
Fine, I'm probably just overreacting.
Can we just play the game?
Yes, let's play the game.
It's just a sneeze.
Stupid. Okay, that's it. That was definitely not a sneeze because I heard you say stupid. And I am telling you that wasn't even trying to be hidden. If I hear you fake sneeze one more time, loser, I'm done. I am so done. I'm taking the camera with me. Ha. He forgot the second camera. No, I didn't forget about the second camera. How did you even get over there?